In today's video, I'll show you how to close your ConvertKit account quickly and easily. Whether you're switching to another platform or simply wrapping up your email marketing, this process takes less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to convertkit.com. Log in using the email and password linked to your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then go to Billing. This is where you'll find your account and subscription details. Now, scroll down until you see the option to Cancel Subscription or Delete My Kit account. If you're on a paid plan, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. ConvertKit might ask for a reason. That's just for feedback. Once you confirm, you'll receive a confirmation email verifying your account closure. Make sure to check both your inbox and spam folder to ensure it went through. And that's it. Your ConvertKit account is now officially closed. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below